My name is Nompumelelo Nzuza. I'm the director of Nzuza Architects. We registered the company in 2010, myself and my old partner. It was really a situation of not being able to find good work. What motivated us to start the business at the time, between myself and my ex-partner and very good friend, was that we weren't able to find work. In order to have an income and to survive, it was a survival decision. We started a design company. As we were not registered as architects as yet, we started doing work for other architectural companies as a designer and for private individuals for doing plans for their homes, extensions, etc. A short description of the services that we offer. From 2010, at the time, working as designers, added on landscape architecture, interior architecture, and project management, and fixed asset condition assessments. Our main competitive advantage is really the personnel and our foresight as to what it is we want to become in the long term. We focus on young, fresh thinkers who are interested in new technologies, who are interested in exploring their own ideas and have the freedom to do so in this company. We pay a lot of attention to our clients. I'm involved in every single project as to how it runs and overseeing what is happening in the work. We also ensure that we use the latest technology, 3D modeling software, which speeds up our production time in comparison to other firms our size. This has enabled us to land quite a lot of repeat work, as our clients do enjoy our out-of-the-box thinking and quick return times. I've found over time what keeps our clientele returning and in fact referring us to other people is the attention to detail. We give them a lot of time. We give them a lot of time developing their brief, but spend very short periods of time producing the work. Our geographical spread currently is in Gauteng and the Eastern Cape. Our head office is situated in Randburg, having done quite a lot of work in Johannesburg and in the general Tshwane area. We've also done work in Nelspruit and some work in the Northern Cape as well. What has made me proud over the 7 years is really what the business has become from what it was intended. The business started off as a one-man show between myself and my partner, after which it brought on students who have gone on to actually excel or do very well in their studies. I think one of the key things that really I can stand up and say I'm happy about is to see what it has done for others more than what it has done for myself. When people encounter our brand, they can expect fresh, young, ambitious, willing to actually push the envelope, come up with fresh ideas, work hard, and basically, achieve for the betterment of others and not just for yourself.